Hey guys, today it's going to be a different day. I may have gotten some new cards here. Alright, we got a first series 1 of Bob Ross trading cards. I just got into Cardsmiths cards recently, and we're gonna try these ones out. It's definitely different, not something I'm used to doing, but figured I'd be doing some unboxings. I'm going to start with 4 of these packs today for the first video. Got 12 here in this little inner carton. So we're going to probably just do 3 different videos of 4 each. It's going to be hard not to open everything, but let's get to it. I want to know what's in these boxes. All right. It's a shout out to my dad, who used to watch Bob Ross and do a little bit of painting, a little bit of artwork. So as a kid growing up, I got to watch a lot of him painting. So it's going to be a little nostalgic, and figured, why not? Interesting. Okay, we just have a separation in there. Hi, Carmen. All right. These are kind of, I like the packaging even. Very cool. I'll read these off real quick too, if any was interesting. So we have odds of finding per pack. Here we've got some collector parallel rainbow holofoils 1-1, collector parallel hyperwave holofoil 1-2, cold foil painting cards 1-6, Gemstone Refractor 1-13, artist refractor 1-14, 1-48 rather, culture shocks 1-96, and multi-burst 1-96. That's your odds of finding those cards. So let's go ahead and open up some packs and see what these cards look like. I'm hoping there's going to be some beautiful artwork in these. And I'm thinking about a project to make either frames out of wood or do something. So let's see what we got here. First card, Lakeside Cabin. This is going to take a while to go through everything, so I'm just going to see the number, 49, Lakeside Cabin. Puzzle card, 2 of 9. Interesting, puzzle card. So what, is that going to go together to make a puzzle? Very cool. Alright, we got a first holofoil here. Got a couple coming up. This picture is called Twilight Beauty. Very nice with the refractor. Number 24. Beautiful. Got Misty Waterfall here. Beautiful refractor. Number 35. And Autumn Palette. Number 17. Very nice. Those are pretty good looking. So yeah, that's the first 5. I like that so far. Alright, number 1. Nature's Paradise. Number 12. Gray Mountains. Gray Mountain. Number 15. Winter Bliss. Number 5. That's a cool card. Is that Bobby? Very cool. I like that one. Number 34. This would be a good place for my little squirrel to live. Nice, that one's pretty. Black Waterfall puzzle card 7 of 9. Nice, so it's a couple of the puzzle cards, so that's pretty neat. Seems like be putting a puzzle together, obviously. Very cool. First box, so I like that. I think these will be very nice. I'll figure out how to display these things. Alright, pack number 2. We got Tropical Seascape. Number 58. Of course, Karma. You gotta find your biggest, loudest bone. Okay. Number 60. Rustic Winter Woods. That's beautiful. That looks really cool on the outside frame. I like that a lot. Number 14. Got another Winter Bliss. Compare that to this one here. That was in the first pack. To be able to show you the differences in what you're going to get with certain cards. You know, some will be the holofoil and all that. So it's a good way to show you. This one is iced foil still. I believe that's what these ones are with a little refractor. That's the colored. Very nice. Number 5, Winter Bliss. And then we got another one of these. Is that the exact same one? It is. Of course it is. Black Waterfall, puzzle card 2 of 9. See, I wouldn't guess that you'd get the exact same one next to a pack. But that's what's going to happen. That's going to happen. Bob Ross, 39. Cold foil, a trace of spring, 26. That one's very cool. Black Waterfall puzzle card 5 of 9. So that goes with those, the puzzle cards. But this one is a refractor. Very nice. And then another Balmy Beach. You see that wrinkle? Wow. Yeah, that's not from me. That's in the card. 51. There we go. That's 2 packs down. 2 packs down. Hi, Karma. How you doing? Good girl. Number 11. We got a Cypress Swamp. Yeah, what does it smell like, Karma? Number 2. What does it smell like? Is it good? Got a nice tropical seascape. I love the frame edges, the way they did this. Interesting. You got some. Yeah, maybe it's supposed to be that way. You got the top left and top right little something there. But I like that one. Tropical Seascape. Number 58. Misty Waterfall. They're very nice, very colorful. Number 35. That's Bob Ross, nice. Number 6. We got an Autumn Palette. Number 17. Got Bob Ross again. Number 21. Ooh, that one's pretty cool. Seasonal Progression. Very colorful, very nice. That one's definitely thick. Here we go. That's a numbered 7 out of 49. I can't believe how actually rounded bent. I wonder if that's from the process. It's definitely a little bit thicker, it seems. But yeah, look at that. Very interesting. But yeah, what are the odds of finding a numbered? Is it a Culture Shokz or multi-burst? Or an Artist Refractor? Maybe an Artist Refractor. 7 out of 49. That's very cool. Very cool. Seasonal Progression. It's my first numbered card out of any series I've ever gotten, so that's a nice one. That's a good one there. Alright, Snow Birch. Very nice. Another refractor. Number 30. Another Bob Ross. Number 16. Awesome. That's very cool. I like that, finding numbered things. Definitely very cool. Alright, last pack out of these 4. First 4 out of Series 1. 2 packs. Get another Bob Ross. Number 11. Little House by the Road. Number 56. That's really cool. Aurora's Dance. Cold foil. Number 19. Ooh, that's a nice one. Beautiful one of Bob Ross. Very colorful. Number 16. Secluded Bridge. Number 36. All right. Wow, a lot of these have, can you see that line? Yep, that's definitely that line. And yeah, that wrinkle in here. Couple minor defects, but you can't expect perfection, right? Well, all right, last pack here. Last pack of the first 4. All right, we got a Scenic Seclusion. Oh yeah, Karma. Nice. 41. Northern Lights. That would be a very nice holofoil. The Northern Lights are always nice. 45. Here we go. Forest Dawn. Very nice. Number 31. Here's another puzzle card. That's pretty. Black Waterfall puzzle card, 9 of 9. So yeah, that Black Waterfall puzzle cards, those will be pretty cool to put those together. And then last but not least, number 50, Bob Ross. All right, there's the first 4 boxes out of Series 1. And again, that's pretty cool. Got my numbered card here. It's 7 out of 49. Is that even a bubble right there? How did that get on there? Interesting. On this, I don't see anything that's got out of 49. I've got Artist Refractor out of 48. Culture Shokz 1 out of 96. And Multiburst 1 out of 96. But very cool. I mean, that means with this serial number, there's literally only 49 of these exact cards. So that's the cool thing about the collector stuff. Is this is a 1 of 49. That's you're looking for those things. So that's it for today. My new collection over here. I will put these in their sleeves. And we will be back with some more next time. That's it for now. Take care. See you in the next one.